Coke-based iron smelting, also known as the coke process, was a significant advancement in iron production that allowed for the mass production of iron products during the Industrial Revolution. Prior to the coke process, iron was produced using charcoal as a fuel source, which was expensive and limited the scale of production. The coke process, which used coke, a type of coal with low impurities, as a fuel source, allowed for larger-scale production of iron and greatly reduced the cost of iron products. This led to the expansion of industries such as construction, transportation, and manufacturing, which relied heavily on iron products. Improvements to the coke process could include developing more efficient methods for coke production, reducing the environmental impact of coke production, and finding alternative fuel sources that could be used in iron smelting. Additionally, improvements could be made to the iron production process itself to reduce waste and increase the efficiency of the smelting process.